Is day 7 of our Detox Your Life. And today we're talking about kitchen products. And this is part 1. So, did you know that the items in your kitchen could be introducing harmful chemicals into your food and body? So, today let's talk about detoxing your kitchen and why it's one of the most important steps toward a healthier lifestyle. So, your kitchen is the heart of your home, but some of the tools and products you use daily might be working against you. So many common items like plastic containers, non-stick cookware, and certain utensils can release toxic chemicals into your food. So over time, this exposure can disrupt your hormones, weaken your immune system, and even increase the risk of chronic illnesses. So here's what to look out for. Plastic containers. Many plastics contain BPA and phthalates, which are hormone disrupting chemicals. When heated or even scratched, these chemicals can leach into your food. So ditch them right now. Non-stick cookware. Most non-stick coatings are made with PFOAs, which can release toxic fumes when heated and have been linked to health issues like cancer and hormone disruption. Aluminum foil and cookware. Aluminum can leach into acidic foods like tomatoes, potentially increasing the heavy metal exposure in your body. Number 1, get rid of them. Worst things ever. Plastic utensils. These can release microplastics and chemicals when exposed to high heat. So what can you do instead? So first, switch those plastics to glass or stainless steel storage containers. Glass is non-toxic, durable, and doesn't leach harmful chemicals. Choose non-toxic cookware. So opt for cast iron, stainless steel, or ceramic pans instead of non-stick. Replace plastic utensils with wood or silicone alternatives or bamboo. These are safer for cooking and more eco-friendly. Use parchment paper instead of aluminum foil when baking or wrapping food. Detoxing your kitchen tools reduces your exposure to harmful chemicals and ensures that your meals stay as healthy as possible. Today, I challenge you to go through your kitchen. Toss out old plastic containers, scratched non-stick pans, and any other items that could be leaching toxins into your food. Replace them with safer alternatives like glass storage, cast iron pans, and wooden utensils. A few small changes can make a big difference in your health. So are you ready to make your kitchen a cleaner, healthier space? Start today and you'll feel the benefits of every meal you prepare.